Hi, hope everyone's doing well. Welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're in the gorgeous Icmeler and I'm going to take a little wander around and just have a look at some of the bars and maybe head towards the beach. Let's have a look. Everything for £5. That's a really good price. Let's have a look, see what they've got.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Some nice t-shirts. So what's this? Under Armour. Very bright. That's quite a nice colour. Like Dry Fit blue. Oh, that's a really good price. Ooh, that's really nice. Quite like the colour of that. We need large. I don't know if that's Suitcoats colouring, but I quite like that. I can find another one. What size is it? Small. Nope. I think I see them over there. This is not a Machino toy. XXL. It's a little bit too big. We've gone from one extreme to the other. I think a large might just be too small. There we go, XL. What do we think, gang? For a £5. Not bad. Let's hold that then. Got more jumpers. Let's have a look inside. It's got your white fox. Adidas. Quite like that. That's quite cute. Like, and you've got your hoodies. A bit hot out there for a hoodie. Nice.
Medium.
Not bad. It says 10 on there, it says everything's 5.
Yes. Bye bye.
So everything's 5 in here?
Food, £10. Set.
Ah, oh, because it's shorts and a top. Okay,
Top.
nice. Okay, so I think out here, everything is 5. Is this a set as well?
5.
5, okay. So you've got stuff for 5. And then you've got your sets as well. Thank you. And then we've got more bags. Little scarves. These things that are taking over the world. Got your sunnies. All right, let's keep going. Let's go down here. So on sale, new season kids shirts, 4 for 20. It's not bad. It's not bad. Get your whole kids wardrobe here. Morning. Got all your clothes. Got socks. Big clearance sale, 5. Got your like football jerseys or basketball. Got your boxes. It's a cool little table, isn't it? Quite like that. That's like a little garden. Ah, here we go. Let's see how much it is to get your hair cut then. Men haircut, Turkish shave, 5. It's not bad. Let's keep going round. Got your Crocs, suitcases. Oh, almost fell down the drain. Let's go back up. Oh, slidey. Oh God, it is never ending. Like, if you like shopping, Turkey is definitely the place to go. Fish and chips there, €5.50. I am roasting. It doesn't feel as hot as yesterday. I've just climatised, which is good because yesterday it was really, really hot. It was about 38, 40 yesterday. Well, the yellow taxis do remind me like I'm in New York. Right, got a little supermarket there, chicken house. Right, which way, gang? Let's go this way. We'll go up. Go towards that gorgeous rock. Oh, that breeze is lovely. Might have to stop and get a drink in a minute. My voice. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe. All that good stuff. So we've got the big man textile and bag. Ugh, Arsenal sign there. Gross. No offence to any Arsenal fans, but the Tottenham and me just can't tolerate it. Icmeler Grand Bazaar. We're crossing again. Let's have a look down this one then. Do comment below if you have been to Icmeler or if you're thinking of staying in Icmeler. We're really enjoying it. We did Marmaris last time, so we thought we'd stay in Icmeler and see what this little neck of the woods is like. Let's go down the steps. Has got a ramp as well. Hello. Oh, I'm okay. I'm just having a little wander. Thank you. So got all the little stores here. Oh, I like those trousers. Quite nice. Got hats. £5 for a hat. Bucket hats, your little wallets. Oh, perfume, 2 for £10. Not bad. Hello. Shorts. Oh. Hello. Ah. That's a nice little walk through. So that's the Icmeler Grand Bazaar. Then we come back to hotels. Let's go this way. Icmeler Bazaar. So yeah, the shops are literally everywhere. You cannot miss them. Got loads of these as well. Right, we did say we was going to head to the beach, but the shops have distracted me, so it's kind of a more shopping this one. We're just wandering around, seeing what's here, showing you guys, taking you along with me. We're back to that fountain in the middle with all the dolphins. It's kind of just done like a little circle. We started off there, everything for a £5. So we come back to, I guess, what you'd call the main high street. Mint lounge, drink, food. Oh. So I'm going to go this way. So you've got a little shopping centre here. They're all merging into one, so if I've walked past it, I really don't know. I don't think I have. Flash sale, lots of things are £5, so good prices. Got the masala there. Chinese Indian cuisine. Comment below if you've been there, sounds nice. We're not going to be doing as much eating out on this one because both the hotels are food included, unless you're me and you get drunk and just want to eat everything when you're drunk. We've got the Star Kebab House, Mr. Cheap Shopping Centre. Oh, did I just walk past this? I am getting a real big sense of deja vu. Got a doner kebab pizza up there. And then come back to this little Best Bargain by Shopping Centre. Huh. Nice. Right, well, I'm going to end this one here because we're kind of at a crossroads, no pun intended. So I hope you guys have enjoyed that. It was a little bit random, just a little sort of wandering around the shops really, seeing what there is in this little bit. We're literally staying in the heart of this, so about 5 minutes from our hotel, so it's really ideal to have all of this on our doorstep. So I definitely recommend staying in this area. Sorry, I talk up there, this little bus. But yeah, so don't forget to like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys on the next one.